In this segment, we're gonna talk about how you can mix high-low at Revivals. We don't mean shop at Revivals and then go and spend some insane amount of money on new furniture elsewhere. What we mean is come to Revivals, shop resale, right? Relove the pre-loved, and then bring it over to the mode department. Revivals is the only thrift store in America to have its own brand of new furniture, award-winning mode furniture, affordably priced and in every style you can imagine. I want to show you how you can take all of those pre-loved, reloved items and mix it in with brand new furniture to create a look that's exclusively you. When I'm mixing resale furniture with brand new furniture, I like to start with the shape because the shape is going to add dimension to any room in your home. Neutral, it doesn't bother me because if I want to, I'm going to reupholster this chair and so can you. It's got to be comfortable. I don't care if it's brand new or resale. Don't buy furniture that's uncomfortable. You're going to hate it. Your guests are going to hate it. Have fun with furniture that's comfortable. And finally, price. And that's what you're going to find at a resale store is the price point's going to fit anyone's budget. All right, if shape and silhouette is important for an accent chair, it's even more important for an accent table. Accent tables are a great way to affordably update any room in your home. And remember, you can always make it your own by changing the finish or the color once you get it into your space. So I like to start with shape. I love finding tables that have a great design element on the side. This table, in my opinion, is the holy grail of accent tables. You know, it's small enough to go in any space. It's got the traditional shaped legs. It doesn't have to be a pillow fight when you're shopping resale at Revivals, but pillows are a great way to mix resale with brand new. When you see pillows like this, vintage pillows, resale pillows that are made of leather or pleather, and they've got this really bold stripe, it's a fantastic way to add a design element to your room and to any brand new sofa or chair in your house. When you shop mode furniture at Revivals, you're gonna find great style at great prices. But as with every new sofa, sometimes the pillows that come with it aren't exactly the punch you're hoping for. This is a great opportunity to take those resale pillows we found in a different department and mix it in with brand new furniture. I'm gonna show you how it works. So we bought our sofa, we've popped it with our resale pillows from the resale department at Revivals to make it our own. We're still under $600 for the look. Do you remember that chair we found in the resale section of Revivals that we loved so much? I think I found the perfect brand new sofa to pair it with. Sectionals can be really expensive. Can you find one for less than $1,500? You can if it's mode furniture at Revivals. In fact, this piece is less than $1,400. And what I love about sectionals is that you can buy them in a really neutral tone so they don't take up a lot of visual space in a room, but then dress them up by mixing that high-low, resale and brand new. Let's look at some ideas. I love how we've taken the pieces from the resale side of the store, mixing high and low with a brand new mode sofa, a resale pillow, a side table that we found in the resale section, and a brand new lamp from the mode furniture and accessory collection. What we've done on this sofa is we've taken the sofa, we've just added our personality to make it feel warm and inviting for our guests. Do you remember those pleather pillows we found in the resale section at Revivals? They were $6 each, and I didn't know what to do with them until I found this great outdoor seating area. You know, Revivals has indoor and outdoor furniture. This particular set is all-weather wicker, and I think adding the racing stripe to this all-weather wicker set kind of updates it. When we're talking high-low, it doesn't always have to mean mixing resale with brand new. You can also buy brand new art. You know, the art in the mode collection at Revivals ranges from everything from sculptural pieces made of metal and glass to photography, illustration, and oil paintings. And art is a great way to affordably update any room in your home. Okay, I hope you had as much fun as I did. There's nothing I love more than mixing high and low and getting a look at a price point that saves me a ton of money. There's really no way to tell this story unless I invite you to come into Revivals and mix high and low for yourself.